Imagine transforming Azure infrastructure requirements, complex diagrams, checklists, and scattered documentation into ready-to-deploy Bicep or Terraform code in a matter of moments. No more manual translation, no more risk of missing best practices. This is the promise of Agentic InfraOps, powered by AI agents and GitHub Copilot. Every cloud engineer knows the challenge: turning business goals into technical infrastructure while maintaining reliability, security, and compliance. The maze of Azure services, configurations, and architectural patterns can be overwhelming. Traditional methods too often lead to bottlenecks, duplicated effort, and missed opportunities for optimization. Agentic InfraOps changes the game. Instead of relying on individual scripts or templates, coordinated AI agents bring reusable skills to your workflow. When presented with an infrastructure requirement, GitHub Copilot orchestrates AI-driven agents. Together, they interpret context, align with Azure well-architected framework, and assemble deploy-ready code using Azure-verified modules. The result? Robust, modular, and standardized infrastructure as code, generated faster, more accurately, and always following best practice patterns. Imagine specifying that you need a secure, scalable web app environment. The AI agents evaluate requirements, select validated modules, and generate complete Bicep or Terraform files. Every parameter, every dependency, automated and traceable. Integration with GitHub Copilot means seamless code reviews, real-time optimizations, and improved team collaboration. The impact is profound. Reduced manual overhead, accelerated deployments, and higher assurance that your Azure environment meets architectural standards from day one. Automation amplifies human expertise, freeing engineers to focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Agentic InfraOps, where AI meets Azure best practices, empowers you to reimagine what's possible. Confidently adopt AI-driven automation and transform your cloud workflows. The future of infrastructure management starts now.